My name is Ethan, and I'm the CEO of Title Jets, and today we're going to dive into the world of private jet ownership. Half of the adventure is the journey, and what better way to enhance it than owning your own set of wings in the sky? Today we're going to walk you through the steps of acquiring your dream private jet and navigating the often complex landscape of aircraft ownership. Before we go into details, let's set the stage. Private jet ownership is a significant investment, but with the right knowledge and approach, it can be an exhilarating experience. Every journey begins with a purpose. Define your mission. Are you looking for a jet for personal travel, business meetings, or charter services? Knowing your mission will guide your choices. As a business professional, I understand the importance of cost-effectiveness. Craft a financial strategy that aligns with your goals, considering acquisition costs, operational expenses, and the potential resale value. Now, let's navigate the market. From new to pre-owned, the choices are vast. Research and find the right aircraft that suits your needs and your budget. Regardless of your experience or expertise in aviation, thorough inspections are crucial. Hire experts to scrutinize the aircraft maintenance records, avionics, and overall condition. Navigating the legalities can also be complex. Ensure all documentation, including registration, insurance, and compliance with aviation regulations, is in order. Closing the deal is where the magic happens. Utilize your negotiation skills and consider partnering with professionals who understand the intricate world of aviation transactions. Whether it's self-financing or involving investors, be strategic. Leverage your business acumen to secure the best financing options and optimize your investment. Well, congratulations, you've just unlocked the secrets to buying a private jet. Remember, Title Jets is not just all about aircraft, it's about elevating your journey and making a positive impact on the world. Until next time, fly high, dream big, and redefine your adventure with us. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more exclusive content, and join our community of aviation enthusiasts. Safe travels, and may your private jet experiences be limitless as the sky itself.